In this video, I'll be sharing you details about the recent updates and changes happened with the ECN payout structure. So this video is for those who are already existing members of eOracle community, and if you are new, doesn't know anything about it, check out my business plan video in this channel. And if you would like to join the community, there is a link in the description. Click on that, register yourself and drop me a mail. I'll help you out. So let's get into the video. As most of you know that from today onwards, there is a recent announcement happened with respect to ECN payout structure. Let's get into the dashboard and see what is exactly is that. So let's go into the wallet summary and the withdraw section where we usually do withdrawals. If you see, there is a couple of changes happened in this particular process. Previously, you can able to see ECN everywhere here, and also there is one more column where it shows once you enter the EPT, it will show how many ECNs you will be getting in that exactly. Now it has been converted to EPT. Why it happened? Because many of the community members have raised a concern that suppose if we are keeping 200 EPTs for payout, on the Monday when the actual payout happens, even if the ECN is going down, the price is going down, they are in the loss. So for example, if you are keeping 200 EPTs on Saturday, so for 200 EPTs, if you are supposed to receive 100 ECNs on Saturday on that particular price, but on Monday what happened, the price reduced further. So instead of 100 ECN, you are getting 80 ECN or something like that. So you'll be losing some price because of the price variation. So what the management has decided is, instead of keeping that, we will be directly dealing with the EPT sales itself. So here what is the process? If you see, if you keep 100 EPTs, that means if you have 100 EPTs to withdraw, it will show the withdrawal in EPT only, but it will directly come to your ECN on the market price of the Monday. That means if you are keeping 100 EPT for withdraw, on Monday when the payout happens, for 100 EPTs, whatever the price of ECN is there on the Monday, for that price itself the payout will happen, so that you will not lose anything. Whatever price is going on the payout day, that price it will be converted using this particular EPT, whatever the EPT you have withdrawn, and it will be credited into your ECN wallet in TronLink Pro. So this is the new change which has happened today itself. So to avoid all the confusions, all the price variations, as you know, ECN is a crypto coin, so there will be obviously price variation. So to help the community and to streamline the process, they have given the EPT option now. That means it will be shown in the EPT, but the payout will happen in the ECN on the Monday. Whatever the payout day price is there, for that price itself you will be getting the ECN. So hope this is clear. If you have any questions and doubts, please comment below. I'll try to see to answer as many as possible. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.